Yo, what up, guys? I just got my Shadaloo MADCATZ TE Plus Fight Stick, and I'm gonna open it up. Just came in the mail like a few minutes ago. And this is another unboxing. Shit, my last TE didn't come in fucking packaging like this. It just came in one box. Yeah, so I got this on Amazon because apparently that MADCATZ store, they put it on Amazon now. So yeah, this is the box, MADCATZ. Should be another box under this one. Nice. Check it out. Yep, that's what it is. Now let's take it out of this box. These little stuff there. Okay. MADCATZ. Looks like there's 4 pieces of tape. And the funny thing was that I wasn't even thinking about buying another fight stick, but I had got an Amazon gift card for $100, and I was like, you know what? Let me check out these MADCATZ sticks. So I checked them out. Like they're normally what, 200, but I was lucky enough to catch it on sale, so it was like $159 or something. Oh, that big MADCATZ logo. Dude, it's pretty sweet packaging. Yeah, so over like the $100 gift card that I got from like my bank or whatever, and then the sale that was going on, I spent what, a total of like $75. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, let's pick this baby up. So much foam, which is good. Oh my god, it's so hot. Like it's literally warm. It's probably sitting in their truck for a while. Oh, dropped the little foam pad. Pretty clean stick. Then you got your instructions and stickers and whatnot. I like this stick, it's really light because I have a TE2 and it's very heavy. I mean, I don't mind it, it's just it's different for me to carry a MADCATZ stick, and it's being light. Let's put this over here for now. Alright, now let's look at this puppy. So you got the stick, layout, feels just how you would expect it to, MADCATZ. Wow, it's so clean. Then you got your what, L3, R3 buttons, your lock and unlock, your left stick, right stick, and directional pad. Wow, so nice, so sturdy. Got your what, start and options, I guess, options and share and select or whatever the hell. got a little box. That's where the cable goes. Yeah. That was a little tie on that. I like this. Cable. Cable. It's not a breakaway cable, doesn't seem like. Yeah, it's not. But yeah, pretty simple stick. Shadaloo, Street Fighter 5, MADCATZ TE Plus. Oh, and then it has a little touchpad. That's that little MADCATZ symbol that's on top. Little touchpad. And yeah, buttons, whatever. Yeah, that was my unboxing. I mean, PS3, PS4, Shadaloo, MADCATZ TE Plus stick. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.